Okay, so I left it at medium the entire time. It did kind of spill over a bit, so unfortunately I can't leave it just sealed like this, like that, because it kind of came out from the sides a bit. So I had to turn it off and let it basically cool down. But this is it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out every piece of chicken out. I'm gonna save the broth, the chicken broth, and then everything else is. I mean, I can use it for something like maybe like the onions and the garlic. I'll definitely leave in there. I can probably make a soup, like like fideo soup or like alphabet soup with the rest of it. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna dilute the mole we got little by little by adding some of the same broth that we have here. So we're gonna start doing that here shortly.